And for the crown will be doing by Miss Fortunately Got the Car. Congratulations, Miss Mitri Hassan the Car, for winning the title of the second runner-up of Miss Latuthiñ Jalyiah 2025. Thank you so much, Sir Lightson, for doing the honor, and also Miss Fortunate, you got the car. Your final award as second runner-up of Miss Latuthiñ Jalyiah 2025. Now, the first runner-up. The result is on my hand. Tạm qua anh appeal on Jade Nathan Pradi, Jalyiah Village, the first runner-up. Thế chắc cũng kêu đi sau không? Jalyiah Village, now let's go to And the first runner-up goes to, I would like to invite Dr. J. Frederick Malang and at the same time Miss Bahun Nongrong for doing this ceremony. The first runner-up goes to the one and only contestant number 4, Miss Ipida Amban. Sir Jim, you hand over the bouquet and do the sauce. And Miss Bahun will round and hand over the certificate and the prize amount. Your first runner-up. Come on, give her a big clap. Yes. Congratulations, Miss Epida Amban, and thank you so much, Miss Bahun. The first runner-up, Miss Epida Amban. And all the three of you are requested to move a little bit on the middle. Three of you. Just hold your hand. Now I hate me the happy bao, hate me bao man, yoga the camera. Cha dong? Oh, tôi ông bị chỗ cha. Take yoga water hay đi. Tao cắt tu bồi, những cái moment của pi water, the yong ti papi, nado katene, a queen. A queen of heart, a queen of lady, and a queen of Latuthiñ Jalyiah 2025. And on stage, I would like to invite once again the reigning Miss Latuthiñ Jalyiah 2024, Miss Mandakaru Pinkan, to do the honor for the next queen. Tao cần mua mà cái tôi yo, chipet cái tôi yo đấy, cần mua cái cần tiền, it was named reigning queen. And without further ado, GTP Yewong Yo. Yewong Yo. Snail, cut the snail. And I will be revealing the results, the secret. So Miss Latuthiñ Jalyiah 2025. It goes to the one and only contestant number. Ari, tolong ite. Kalau be kejak sir. Say Kijam, the one and only contestant number 5, Miss Hakani Power. Supporter yang Miss Hakani Power siapa? Agency Party buat hayat Neventa on new queen of the year of Miss Latuthiñ Jalyiah 2025. Your queen, your queen. And do remember, she will come home with a big amount of prize, a cash money of rupees 50,000. Congratulations, Miss Hakani Power. Your final walk after getting all bouquet of prize money, crown and the sauce. You can walk together. Final walk, both of you. Okay, you can walk, ladies. The reigning queen and your queen of the year. Come on, make some noise. Miss Hakani Power, that bring the spirits of Dorbar Shnong Village. Your new queen. And I would like to invite the first and the second runner-up, your final walk together, the 3 winners. And all the contestants who are requested to exit that stage.